Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my recent night routine video. I don't like to do too many of these, but because my night routine does change, I like to show you guys all of the products and things that I've been using lately. I'm also working with Home Chef in this video. If you are not familiar with Home Chef, it's basically a service that delivers fresh ingredients to your doorstep so you can make really delicious meals. They have, I think, 18 different meal choices every single week. I am by no means a pro at cooking, but I definitely felt like one when I was making my meal in this video. It looked so good. It tasted so good. I also really like my food to look really nice when I eat it, and it was so easy to do that because they pre-portion everything and they tell you exactly what you need to do. It's super easy step-by-step instructions that they give you on your recipe cards. They take like 30 minutes to make, and it's all really good fresh food. Also, I am a vegetarian, so I was super happy to see that they had multiple options for vegetarians, so big plus on that. If you are interested in signing up for Home Chef, which I highly recommend if you are like me and you enjoy cooking but you can't come up with creative ideas to make for meals, then definitely check out the link in the description box below this video to get $30 off your first order. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started with my night routine. So this is the Home Chef recipe card that I used to make my meal. This was the burrata and farro bowl, and it was so good. I also wanted to show you what the actual ingredients look like when you receive your Home Chef meal kits. I love that everything is pre-portioned for you, and some of the ingredients are already cut up, like the butternut squash that I had here, and you just want to follow the instructions on your recipe card. They are so easy to follow. Also, I wanted to mention that soon you will actually be able to buy the Home Chef meal kits at Kroger stores, which is awesome. So you can actually go into a store and pick out what you want. But obviously you can purchase them from homechef.com anyways. And if you're wondering, you can actually predetermine like how many servings you want. So if you're planning like a dinner party and you want to make sure you have enough, it has all of that listed on the website as well. And it was so easy to plate. It looked so professional. Like it looked just like the picture on the recipe card. So I was very proud of that, and it was so delicious. And each of the servings work out to $9.95, so you're actually getting like a really good deal. It's cheaper than eating out, and they also have other add-ons like lunch specials or things like smoothies, which is really cool. So definitely check out the website if you are interested in this. I will 100% do this again. I really loved eating it, and it was really easy to make. So after I've enjoyed my dinner and probably watched a couple TV shows, I will have a shower. So lately I've been using the Verb Ghost shampoo. I really like this one, and the conditioner. I got these from the Sephora website, but I'm pretty sure you can get them in store as well. And I love that they have the pump on the 32-ounce bottles. It makes it so much easier to use in the shower. And then I like to use a mask every once in a while, so I use the Amika Nourishing Mask. And while I have that sit on my hair, I'll just wash my body. And I've been using Snow Fairy from Lush because it's my favorite holiday scent from them. So after my shower, I will brush my teeth. This is a cruelty-free toothpaste that I discovered. They sell at Target. I was sent some a long time ago, and since then I've repurchased like probably 6 more tubes. So I just brush my teeth. I love using my electric toothbrush, and then I usually floss right after brushing my teeth, obviously. I think a lot of people in the past had seen that I didn't include flossing in my videos, but I do. So then I will use some mouthwash, and I also recently saw that the same brand, Hello, that had the toothpaste at Target also has mouthwash, so I decided to try this one out. I don't know if they have other like flavors or anything, but I do really like this activated charcoal one. So I just do that for a little bit, and then I will move on to some skincare. So this has been my night routine like with skincare for quite some time now. Obviously you can tell my eye cream is pretty much empty. I have maybe like one more use out of it, but it is from Skin Fix. I really like that brand for cruelty-free skincare. And I'm sure most of you know by now to use your ring finger when you apply eye cream, so it's like very gentle. And then for the rest of my face, I've been using this Korres Wild Rose Spotless Serum. It has vitamin C in it, so it helps brighten your skin and get rid of any like discoloration, which I had a lot of when I had my like weird acne breakout towards the beginning of this year, and all of the products that I've used lately have seriously improved the look of my skin and made it way more even. So next for my hair, I always like to apply some sort of serum before I brush it out. So this one's from IGK, it's called Crybaby, and I'm pretty sure this is made for like dry hair, so don't be afraid to use it on dry hair, but I also just used it on my wet hair as well, and it definitely helped keep the frizz down, especially while it was drying. And if you are going to brush your hair while it's wet, make sure it's a hairbrush that's specifically designed for wet hair. This one is a wet brush, so it works really well and it doesn't like pull or tug on your hair and damage it. And I typically let my hair air dry anyway, so I usually will watch some more TV or just like hang out, and then I will go into my room. I have gotten a lot of candles recently, and this one is from the Body Shop and it smells like Christmas. So I decided to light that just to kind of have like a nice little cozy night in my room. And then usually I will just probably watch some more TV shows on Netflix, or maybe I'll catch up on some YouTube videos. So I usually do that on my iPad, and then most of the time my dog Luna likes to come in and she likes to just kind of hang out with me. Yes, she does sleep on the bed. Some people don't like that, but I don't mind. We do have a blanket actually that she sleeps on, so it's not so bad. But usually I will just kind of like pet her and hang out with her for a bit, and then finish watching whatever I'm watching, and then of course blow out the candle, and then I am pretty much ready for bed, and clearly Luna is too. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my recent night routine. Obviously, some of these things change, like different products, but I really love these products, especially because they are all like cruelty-free. I wanted to show you guys more of what I eat in this video as well, because in past videos, I don't really show what I'm actually eating, and I know a lot of people really like those like eat with me or cook with me type videos, so I thought that it would be fun to do that with Home Chef. If you're interested in trying out Home Chef, definitely check out the link in the description box below to get $30 off your first order. I highly recommend doing it. It is something that I will definitely do again in the future. I really loved it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you to Home Chef for working with me. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!